Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Model Cars and Coffee. In this episode, I'm going to be going over a couple of models I got from my sister-in-law for Christmas. This is one that I had when I was a kid. Actually, I had both of these kits when I was a kid. I've recently been looking for this kit though, and what I've been seeing is like prices on eBay are kind of out of sight. So she apparently went to like a second-hand store and found this section where there's 8 or 10 models, and so she picked a couple out. I actually forgot I'd had this one as a kid, and that was a fun build too. We're probably gonna build this one this year. That one I might wait because I want to put a lot of detail into that one. At least that's my current thought. But I figured we'd do at least an unboxing on one or even both in this episode of Model Cars and Coffee. Depends on how long it gets. And you like my cup? It's left over from a Christmas party. Figure might as well use them up. So what we have here is we have the 1929 Ford Roadster pickup, and that's still got its packaging on the outside. I think this might be in the package. I've looked at it. But this is the Grand Prix. Actually, we'll go through the Grand Prix one first. Yeah, it's still all in its package. So we got the Grand Prix that's produced by Revell, 125th kit. The model kit number, where are we at here, is 7171, in case you wanted to research it at all. It looks like it was car of the year for that particular model year. You can build a couple different versions. Here's another look here. And then there's a little bit of a write-up on it. So I'll set that over here. So when I opened up the car initially, this was a really weird glass tree, because it kind of like did this weird thing. It was connected somewhere, and so I broke it so it would fit better in the box, because I wasn't having a good luck putting it back in the box. But you got your side glass, and it's full side glass, and then you got a headlight there. Then you got your front and rear glass, your other side glass, and your other headlight. The full package of parts here. So you got a couple different wheel options. You got this kind of aftermarket one here. And then you got the standard rims, which I'll probably build it with the standard rims. I don't know. You got your grille, your tail light and headlight lenses, valve covers, your air intake. And then I'm guessing these are exhaust ports. What else we got in here? Oh, we got tires. All the tires are like that, with the exception of one is kind of broke off. But they're good looking tires. Gonna need a little bit of work. Get the seam down. But let's see what we got here. We got Goodyear Eagle OSMA. I don't know what that means. But I don't know if you can see the tread or not, but there's your tread. Oh, we got tail lights. There's tail lights. And sorry about that. And your instruction manual, right up about the car. It gives color options. This looks like it's all running gear: light blue, white, red, dark red, yellow, flat black, gloss black, aluminum. But it's an alright instruction manual. When I opened up the instruction manual at first, I definitely remembered this kit as a kid. And I'll show you why I got rid of this kit as a kid when we get into the unboxing, or the getting the bag of parts there. But it's a pretty good instruction manual from what I remember. Alright, let's open up the bag of parts. Put this back over here, put that up in there. An old bag, maybe we'll just tear it. It's thin plastic. Anyway, we'll set this aside. I like doing the bodies last. So you got the bottom of the doors. And you got the hood and your front bumper area. Oh, the dash broke off. So here's your dash. And threw it at you. Try again. There, back in the box. So here we have the exhaust. This looks like most of the engine. Maybe half the engine. You got your cylinder heads here. Probably your engine front. Not a bad interior tub. Like it's got buckets in the back and it's going to have buckets in the front. Oh, what else we got here? We got steering column. Inner portion of the rims. Got your steering wheel. And another door package for the bottom of the doors. With a rear bumper and a front bumper. Plastic here. We got the engine cradle itself, and then part of the suspension. I don't know if it's front or rear. Part of the intake. The top part right here is, and then you got these ports. I think it's actually this is the exhaust manifold. Your interior door panels, and then you got your center console. This is going to be the transmission. Belt assembly. The back of your front seats. Bottom of the car, which has some pretty good detail on it. And it looks like it's got some car parts in here. Don't really know. Some sort of drive axle. Like suspension bars of some sort right here. Suspension. Your engine block halves right here. The front part of your front seats. Probably a small firewall right here. And this appears to be like a radiator right here. So then we got the body. The body doesn't have any rock to it. You got a pretty detailed engine compartment. Got your strut towers right here. A pillars look good. B pillars, C pillars. Body lines all look good. So when I tried building this car back when it first came out, this model kit, excuse me, I got a little anxious as a kid. I was trying to spray paint. I had a really dark green. Probably doesn't surprise you that I was painting it green. And on one side or the other, I just hosed the paint on and I laid it on too thick. And I got this bad like bubble and run. And I just didn't know how to correct it. So being a kid, being into monster trucks, I warmed up the body and crushed it. And then it went in the garbage after a while. This is the monster truck diorama that I built. Didn't really hold up, so we're about 12 minutes. I think we'll close out this video. I want to thank everyone who's followed along. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I appreciate these gifts. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you do. It helps the channel, and it also helps my family. And you all are making this channel a success. I appreciate everyone who subscribed. If you have anything, any comments, any questions about the build, ideas, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe. Everyone be blessed.